Hello guys, welcome to another TechSwatch tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can check if your computer supports the latest Windows 11. So let's get started. Microsoft has released an app called PC Health Check, which will scan your system for hardware and software requirements and then will show you if you can install the latest Windows 11 version on your PC or not. The app is available on the official Microsoft website. To download the app, you can check the link in the description of this video. So go to the app page and download it to your computer. Once the app is downloaded, run the installer and wait for it to finish the installation. Then click the finish button and the app will automatically start. Once you are in the PC Health Check app, click the Check Now button and the app will start scanning your system for hardware and software compatibility. If it detects all the software and hardware requirements, then the message will show this PC can run Windows 11. However, if it shows this PC can't run Windows 11 error, then there is nothing to worry about. This is a common error that has affected many users. I have a video showing how you can fix this PC can't run Windows 11 error. You can check it in the iCard as well as in the description. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.